Hello, trumpet players. We're going to go through in a minor mood from the very top of the song and then give you some help on how to play it. Here we go. So the first thing we have to address in a minor mood is the new note. Woo! Measured 2. So we have a D here. The D is 1 and 3 on our instrument, and it's below the first line on the treble clef staff. Kind of an odd place. We haven't seen that note yet in our note naming skills. This note should be played with a little bit of kick slide out. You'll notice that I kicked mine out for the entire song, basically, once I got to my first D, and you should do the same thing in this song. Here's why and here's what. So when you kick this slide out, everything that is played with the third button is elongated. So here's when you would not want to do kick the slide out for the entire song method. If you had any E flats or A flats, generally though, you can leave it out for a lot of the time as long as you're not going to experience those notes. I wouldn't say leave it out when you're not playing, always pull it back in, get in the habit of it. But for the beginning stages, when you see a song like this and you've got the Ds, go ahead and kick it out. The next thing about this song that we need to make sure we take care of is the long phrases. Da, da, da. Don't play it da, da, because if you look at the end, that's actually how the end is written, okay? So make sure you play long phrases up until the breath mark or up until you get to a rest. We want to make sure that we have long lines of air so we can articulate and find that separation between the notes. If you do that, you're going to be in great shape to make the best sounds, and I'm going to not resend it to you. Practice this with the my part playing out loud and make sure you can do this without messing up the fingers. If you can do that, then you're probably close to being able to play the song. But if you're having to think about these fingers too much, you need to make sure you work the fingers out. That looks a little something like this. Let's try it together. Don't forget to pull that kick slide back in. That's all I've got for you. Good luck practicing this song. You got this. Bye-bye.